English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 7.
These products look great. Do you have a website?
Yes, here's my card with all the details. How can I reach you for more information?
Just give me a call. Call me. Here's my number. Drop me a line.
Name. Job title. Address. Company name. Phone number. Website. Email address.
Sue at super-cleaning_team.com.
I'm afraid I don't have my card with me. My email address is j.jones@globalmail.com.
Here's my card, Mr. Desai, and there's my email address. c.j.jones@global-exec.com.
The general information address is on the card, but I'll give you my personal email address. It's c.jones@global-exec.com.
If you send me an email, I'll get a brochure sent to you. My email address is globalmail@jonesbrothers.com.
If you ever want to get in touch, the best way is to email me at joe@worldmail.co.jp.
Could you send me some more information, please? My email's c.j.jones@global-exec.co.fr.
Just give me a call when you're ready. Do you have a website I can look up? Your job title isn't listed here. Just drop me a line for more details. How can I reach you to follow up? Is this your phone number? Here's my business card. Call me to arrange a meeting. Drop me a line to follow up next week.
Is this your current email address?
Yes, it is. Email me anytime.
Are you on Job Connect?
No, I'm not. I have a blog, though.
Does your company have a website?
No, it doesn't. It does have a mailing list.
Do you have a business card?
Yes, I do. All my details are on here.
Do you have a portfolio?
No, I don't.
Is this your office number?
Yes, it is.
Are these your work details?
Yes, they are.
Do they have a website?
Yes, they do.
Does your company have a website?
Yes, it does.
Do all of you work for Y9B & Co?
No, we don't.
Do I have your phone number?
Yes, you do.
Is that your company's address?
No, it isn't.
Are these details still correct?
Yes, they are.
Do you have a website?
Yes, I do.
Does your website have a contact form?
No, it doesn't.
Do they have a brochure?
Yes, they do.
Do you want to arrange a meeting?
Yes, I do.
Do you have an office in the city?
No, I don't.
End of Lesson 7.